me what you think.
Because I picked, Shelby's gonna go first. And I can get a quote. I think
It's sunk. So Lexi is 1 point. Shelby 0 points. So we're doing this challenge today to get a prize.
yeah, I'm gonna get the blueberry is Shelby's and the strawberry.
Lovely. Bubblegum actually is blue. And strawberry is the pink one. Shelby, it's your turn. Which item are you going to pick? We've lots of lovely items today to choose.
This is Una
So what have you chosen?
a deck.
A lollipop stick.
So I think it's for
Float.
what I choose was the coaster.
Lexi said float. Float. Both float.
So I get 2 points, Shelby. Go.
Wow, it floats. Okay.
So I'm going to put it in the fly.
Right, Lexi, your turn to pick another item.
Oh, can I eat this?
No, you can't eat it.
What?
Tell you what to do. So with 2 chocolates, you can pick up both chocolates. So we'll do this one. Open one of them and keep one of them in the wrapper to see if it makes any difference. So, okay, well Shelby's opened his. Lexi, don't open that one.
Why?
One needs to be in the wrapper and one's going to be out of the wrapper, and we're going to say, so which one do you think? Will they both float? Will they both sink? Or do you think one is going to float and one's going to sink? So what do you think?
I think this is safe.
You think the one without the wrapper is going to sink?
I think this is good.
Right? Right, let's try them then.
I said that. Flip. I am about to say no.
Oh,
I did float too.
they both float.
I did float.
You did?
I did.
But you know why I think that one floats? You can eat that one. That one is, that's Shelby's. That's a Whisper. So there's actually air bubbles in that chocolate. Try that one, Lexi, and open it. Put it in the bucket first just to see if that one's going to sink or float.
This one?
Yeah. No, I mean without the wrapper. Take the wrapper off. Yeah, take the wrapper off that chocolate. Test if it sinks or floats. Oh, you see, look at that one. That doesn't have air bubbles inside of it, so it sinks. Isn't that funny? Okay, so we're going to have another go. Shelby, what have you chosen?
Car, a van,
A little van. And Lexi, what have you chosen this time? Just test.
and nail polish.
Nail
I
polish.
think this is sink.
You think that's going to sink? And
Sink.
you think those items are going to sink? Let's try. Yeah, you're correct. It did go to the bottom.
So I got 4 points. Shelby got 3.
3 points. Okay, so lots of items left. So Lexi, you've chosen Minion toy, and Shelby has chosen a bristle block. Very good. So what do you think? Sink or float?
Sink. Sink.
You're both doing sink again.
No, I can get both.
You think that one's going to float?
Float.
And yours is going to float. Sure, now because you've got different
No,
items.
this is sink.
That one's sink. Now, okay.
I know it's heavy. I like it sink. I got. Wait. No.
Is her both correct?
No, you got 2, so now you got 4 and I got 1.
That's right, because you chose right.
So I'm good. I think there's whoa.
Right, hold on. So what have
I
you
think
got?
that will stink. I think this is
The knife you have, Shelby. You've
and
got a
I
knife.
think this will stink.
And you have a tube of toothpaste.
I think that will stink.
So you have a tube of toothpaste, and
Shall we
so
say this will float?
and he's got a knife. Let's see.
Let's check. Whoa!
Ooh.
You got
Let me put it in again, Lexi. So the knife sunk. We don't know about this one, do we? Sort of
middle.
is in between, thinking and floating. Okay, well sure, we'll say both of them then. did sort of sink, or the knife definitely sunk to the bottom, and the toothpaste say okay. It did. Okay.
So look.
What else?
No! The knife! Jesus.
You get to think that.
This will float.
So you, Lexi, you have a little hairbrush, yellow hairbrush. You think it's going to float?
You think this is going to float?
You think the purple pen's going to float?
Let's check.
Let's check. Oh,
I got
yay!
5! I got 6.
Both float.
So, I choose goggles.
You have a set of
I think-
goggles,
I think this
and that's a little hair clip.
I
So
think
Shelby,
this
you
will
think
float.
so your hair clip, Shelby, you think is going to sink, and Lexi, you think the goggles are going to float?
Let's check. I put away.
Wait, put them in. Let's have a look.
Get the whoa.
No,
Mine is
it
middle.
doesn't.
Mine.
That doesn't float, Shelby. It's sunk to the bottom.
Yeah.
And Lexi, your
Yeah.
no, it's sunk to the bottom, son. And Lexi, your goggles sunk to the bottom too.
Mine's I got 5.
So you're still 5, Shelby, and Lexi is 7. You were already a point ahead, were you?
No. Wax. I did the whoa.
Oh, okay. So she's still 6, and you're still 5. Very good. Great. Right.
I choose this. I
So-
think that will actually. I need this as once.
Lexi and Shelby, you have a wand, and you think it's gonna float. Say float. Well,
It won't! I got 6! I got 7. No!
well.
Who did it? Whoa!
No, she said it. She did say first of all it was going to sink, and then she changed her mind very last minute. So
That's cheating!
yeah, I think maybe that's cheating. I think you both have 6. Sorry. Right, take the items out and put them to dry.
I think
So-
this will like.
Shelby, you need to pick one.
I think this was.
Right.
And I think that this.
You've got a
I
toothbrush,
think this.
and you've got a
Let me
pine
see it.
cone, Lexi. Right, so you think yours is going to float, Shelby, and
I
yours
think
is a
this-
toothbrush,
I'm gonna think this
and
one.
yours is a pine cone, and you think yours is going to float, Lexi?
No.
Yay!
So I got this. I got 7. Sink I did.
Did you say sink? No, you didn't. Did you say float?
No, I didn't say.
Are you sure?
Yes. No, he said. No. He said sink.
Lexi, you have a
I
pair
think this
of
is sink.
you have a pair of green scissors, Lexi. You think are gonna
I
float,
think this one.
and Shelby has a yellow pencil. You think it's gonna float? Both floaters. Go.
Middle. Wow! I got 7. I got 7.
The pencil floats,
Oh,
and
no,
the
we
scissors
got both 7s.
sunk. So yeah, you've both got 7 because Shelby, really, you did say the other one was gonna. You got the other one wrong, so you're both the same. You both got 7.
Whoa!
So
I think this will actually.
we're running out of
sink.
items.
I think this will actually.
Right. Lexi has a straw.
I think we'll.
I think that's
think
gonna
it
float,
did
and
sink.
Shelby has a pink.
I think
Four.
it is sink.
Do you think it's sinking and Lexi's floating? Try. Oh no!
Shelby got it wrong.
The straw is floating. The straw is floating, but the fork is floating. So that is 7 to Shelby and 8 to Lexi.
So, because I haven't hit it, I choose apple. But
Right,
no
so you
grapes, no grapes. I think this
Well, sure, you can both. We'll just do the grapes together.
Sink.
So you have an apple, Shelby, and
I think this
Lexi
will float.
has
I think this is
a
sink.
milk carton
I think
lid.
this is sink.
You think the apple's gonna sink?
I think this is going to float. Yes! And Shelby got
Nope, it's floating.
Yeah, Shelby. You still got 7. I got 9. Here we go. Sorry, Shelby. I get my lolly.
Wait, no, we'll have the grapes to do.
Oh.
So you can both take a couple of
I
grapes
think
each.
this is sink. Hello!
You think float, Lexi? Wait. And you think sink, Shelby? Let's go. Yeah, Shelby got it right. Yeah.
Shelby still got not the same, but he got 8. I got 9, so I am bigger than his. So I get my. No, Lexi, you got 10. You got 10.
So you got 10 and Shelby got
9.
9? You got 9?
No, he got 8. He got 7. So now 8.
Okay, so really, anyway, Lexi is the winner.
Yeah! And I even got 1 point. Remember, I won the one of them.
Lexi gets her prize.
And Shelby doesn't.
Try a little bit. What's it taste like?
Shelby, here. Here, Shelby, try it. It's too yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Come on. Shelby, open. I tried to check it. No, sure. Shelby, can I have it? Have your blueberry? With your blueberry?
This is bubble gum.